Hey guys, so today I have another unboxing video for you guys. It's a police tactical knife. I'm not gonna lie, I've had this thing like 2 times already, and I'll keep on buying it again and again. It's pretty badass. It lasts really long, and it's really useful when the time comes, you know. Comes in handy. Well, I just got here today, so let's open it up. See. Tear to open. Cool. So it comes to this little MTECH box here. Let's open it up. Now it is 8 inches, so it's a pretty good size if you ask me. There it is right there. No instructions, no nothing. Slides out of its bag. You have the window breaker in the back, your seatbelt cutter right there. Right here it's like a little badge, if it'll focus. Yeah, there you go. And then this is the back of it. Right here's a little switch to open it. As you can see, it says police right there. On this other side, it's like the sponsor, I guess. Still says MTECH, the provider, whatever. This is pretty much a knife. Shouldn't be legal to carry, but it's pretty badass. And then you put it away, you just move this to the left here, and then you go ahead and close it. And yeah, that's a 8-inch police tactical knife, and that'll be it.